On the road tarmac of Chico, we have arrested tippers, which we are stealing hardcore. We have arrested people who are stealing cement. We have arrested people who are stealing iron bars. Even here, because here we don't have iron bars, but we shall arrest those people who steal material, especially fuel, and we shall present them in courts of law.
So I want to, everybody they Wataka should become food soldiers, should ensure nobody takes a jerrycan of fuel from these machines, and these machines are only supposed to work on the designated activity, only on the road, strictly only on the road. If you see a machine going off to work either on the compound of somebody else, you be sure it is using your own fuel and you will not have the quality. They must ensure that the quantities of maram are well delivered here.